Hello friends, so I'm back with a new cue card for you and the topic is talk about the first mobile phone of your life. The follow-up questions are which was it, how you got it, how you felt about it and how it changed your life. Okay, so we always start with the introduction. So here is an introduction for you. In this technological era, new things are constantly being invented. One of the incredible gifts of this advanced technology is the wonder gizmo mobile phone. So gizmo means gizmo is the device. Okay, so in this technological era, the wonderful device that we have is mobile phone, right? Then it is a gadget which keeps us connected with our kith and kin. Kith and kin means friends and family, and diminishes our boredom by its variant features. Diminish, reduces. So it reduces our boredom. It doesn't let us get bored. Okay, so this is the introduction that whenever you get any topic related to mobile phone, you can learn those sentences and use it over there. Now the first question, which was it? It was about your first mobile phone. So you can start with a thing that currently I'm using iPhone 7 Plus. But if I talk about my first mobile phone, I got it when I was in first year of my graduation, and it was Samsung Galaxy Chat, a very small mobile one. So Samsung Galaxy Chat, it was having 512 MB RAM and 2 megapixel camera with 850 megahertz processor, and it was a keypad mobile phone because the phone I'm talking about, it was basically a long back, and at that time smartphones were not popular. If it were popular, so parents were not giving these mobiles to their children. So I also got a very small mobile phone at that time. Okay, the second is how you got it. You need to explain the process. Basically you need to tell that why do you think you need a mobile phone, right? So that was a situation. I faced problem in communicating with my parents while coming back from my college. So once what happened is, one day my scooty got punctured. So at that time it was very difficult for me to contact with my parents. I reached home quite late. But meanwhile, before that, I informed my parents. And how did I inform? I used a passerby's mobile phone. A person who was going. I just took mobile phone from him for a while and I contacted at home. So after looking at everything, after analyzing the scenario, my father decided to buy a phone for me. So that was the situation, as my scooty got punctured and I had to borrow a mobile phone from a passerby to contact my parents. So then my father realized my problem and bought a new mobile phone for me. Okay, so I vividly remember means clearly, or the entire scene is live in front of my eyes. And I remember what next morning when I woke up, I found a gift next to my pillow. I was quite happy to see the gift. Okay, at that time I wasn't aware that it would be a mobile phone. So I felt elated to see the mobile phone and my happiness knew no bounds because it was something which I wanted to have and now I had in my hands. So I really thanked my father for that. Okay, now the fourth question was how it changed your life. Okay, it changed my life tremendously. It made my life a bed of roses. A bed of roses means something which is very comfortable. So very comfortable. Now I could connect to my near and dear ones easily and anytime, used to capture my memorable events. Since I was having a camera, and 2 MP camera at that time was such a great thing to have. So I used to take a lot of pictures, though it was very simple, but still I adore it. Adore means I love it very much. and have kept it with safe hands to cherish my old memories. So in these days I'm not using that phone because I have purchased the upgraded version. Now I'm using Apple iPhone 7, but I haven't given this phone, my old phone, to anyone. I have kept it with me in my cupboard with safe hands to cherish my old memories. Okay, so this was about first mobile phone, and don't take any topic quite lightly. It is always a suggested idea to prepare with very beautiful words and feelings so that you can score 7 or 8 in your speaking, right? So keep learning with us and all the best.